Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me once again on this unboxing and review. So I decided while you guys wait for my next video that once again the Tori haven't got back to me. He told me he was going to ship out my Dark Calf today. I haven't heard from the Tori just yet, so I'm trying to stall time with you guys by doing other things and reviewing other things that I got. So today I received this Texas Chainsaw Massacre sledgehammer made by Trick or Treat Studios. Okay, now this says on the tag that this is not a toy for decorative use only. Okay, now over here apparently you got your little back complete the costume official. All the BS. So anyway, not gonna waste a long time. Now they're saying it's a little heavy. We got a little way to it towards the end. Okay, so let's just check out this bad boy. Let me see how this thing is. 1 second, guys. Okay, so the handle is a little, I believe it's a little rubber. Okay, you can see the handle is got a little rubber to it. I mean, it's pretty cool detail. It's a nice little piece to have for a. I mean, size wise, it is. It's pretty. How do I say it? It's got a little length to it, you know. A little freaking my little. So yeah, but it's a cool piece for you to have along your little chainsaw. I mean, for $20 it came out. Go wrong. I got this for $20 on eBay. Some other places sell it for a little bit more than $20, but it's a cool little piece for you to hang along with if it's ever gonna hold. Ah, look at that, perfect. That holds. It looks pretty good. But anyway, I'm not gonna waste your time any longer. So I'll get back to you guys on my next unboxing and review. Okay. You guys have a happy Halloween. Trick or treat safely, and I will guys see you on the next video. Have a good night.